it's Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with a little video about how to become debt-free. I think one of the first steps to do is to look up information on how to save money and how to make more money. So hence I'm doing this money vlog, and you'll find a lot of hints and tips and tricks and to make you save money. There might be things that you're not aware of, so it's quite good to have a look at these things and make sure you're aware of everything that you can do. Because if you plan to take these little hints and tricks and put them in action, then that means that you've set a goal. And once you've set your goal and you've done what you said you wanted to do, you have achieved your goal. Achieving goals is very important in a money mindset, because once you know that you have all these little goals and you've achieved all these little goals, you are a goal setter and you're an achiever. So basically you're in the right frame of mind to set some bigger goals. So one thing that I would like you to do if you're already in debt is make a list of all your creditors. Creditors are people who you owe money to. So write down everybody that you owe money to, whether they are companies or friends and family or whatever, everything. Take a piece of paper and a pen and go and do that now. So on this list that you're making, you need to write down who it is that you owe money to, the amount of money that you still owe, and the percentage that you're paying on that amount. Once you have made this list, you will feel a lot more organized. You will feel a lot more aware. You'll know where you are at with everything, especially if you've written down the $5-10 that you owe to your friends as well, you know, or like somebody has paid for a cup of coffee and your turn is next, you know, those types of things. Just put them at the bottom as well. Then what I would like you to do is rewrite that list with the most expensive one up the top. The most expensive one is the one where you pay the most interest. So very important, be organized. Make sure you know who you owe money to and have everything written out. What you would like to do, if you're very onto it, very organized, very precise, is write down the date that you'll finish paying this loan off if you do weekly, monthly repayments already. Excellent. So you got a list. Very good. Now with all those creditors, give them a call and ask them a few things. Explain that you are working on something. With this money vlog, you're implementing all the hints and tips and you're starting to save money left, right and center, and you're making more money with all the other tips that we've provided. So tell them you're working on something and you would like to discuss your options with this particular creditor. So you can ask them, can you lower the interest rate for me? Because I'm working on something and I'm actually looking at paying it off as soon as I can. And they may say yes, they may say no, depending on your history with them or whatever. If you don't ask, you don't get. So call the creditors and ask if they can lower the interest rate. Then you can also ask if you're able to repay it quicker. So maybe you can pay $10 extra a week or $20 extra a month or something like that. Because the quicker you pay it off, the less interest you pay, right? While you have them on the phone, make sure you ask if there's a fee that applies if you want to repay your complete loan now, early. So I think it's called an early repayment fee. So ask what happens if you come into a lot of money, say in a week's time, and you want to put all the money onto that loan. How much will it cost to actually pay it off and close it? And they will tell you that you have this much outstanding, you have this much in interest or something if you pay it off in a week's time. And also they will tell you the fee for it is this and that, because they're obviously making money by lending money out and receiving interest on that money. So have a look at these things and start your journey of becoming debt-free. and also stress-free. Make a list with everybody you owe money to, the amount of money, the amount of interest, and who it is. Then call all of your creditors. I mean, if it's $10 to a friend, you can still call them, but it's much easier to actually have those $10 because you looked at my wants and needs video and you now know that what you wanted to buy at the supermarket was actually a want, not a need. So you didn't buy it, so you have $10 extra. So you could go to your friend, here's your $10 back. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you lending me that. So that's one struck out on your list already. Perfect. So call all the creditors, ask them to lower the interest rate if there's an interest rate, ask them what if you can repay quicker, like up your payments, and ask if there's an early repayment fee. That's very important for your future, because in the next videos we will talk about how to condense all these loans, all these debts all together, and that's where this list comes in as well. So what you can do now is make the list, ring them up and ask if they can do something for you to help you. You'll be a lot less stressed and you'll be happier. And that's what this is all about, to enjoy your life, right? So when you do the savings, don't go and spend them on other things. Keep them in your pocket, keep saving it, or in your bank account. Save it all up so that you can pay off all those debts that you need to pay off sooner rather than later. It's not much fun being in debt. I've been there myself, so it's much better to not have any debt and be debt-free and stress-free. All right, well, I'll let you go on this one. Have fun making your list, and don't forget anybody, put everything on there. Be honest with yourself, because honesty lasts the longest anyway. And then make sure that you have everybody's phone numbers, give them all a call. I'd love to hear your results, and I'd love to hear whether some companies or people have said, oh yeah, no, that's fine, we'll reduce the interest rate to whatever, and hopefully it'll be a substantial percentage. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you look forward to the next videos about how to become debt-free, how to save money, and how to make more money. It's Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life, Coaching and Healing, with the Money Vlog, a daily video about how you can be happier with your financial life. Take care.